really feel hot tomorrow. Peter's out on the weather deck with why that could be of concern. Peter?
Well, right, because we haven't had a lot of both heat and humidity at the same time. We had the heat yesterday, but not the humidity. We had the humidity today, but not the heat. I mean, it was warm, but not like near 90. When you get both together, this is what happens. So just talk about today right now as we take a look at the weather maps. We got to 84, which you might be like, really? That's it? Well, that's because the dew point when it was 84 was 71, which is in the oppressive zone. When you have a dew point of 70 or higher, it is steamy. So it made the real feel 5 degrees higher. Well, tomorrow, the dew point's similar, 68, and I'm forecasting 91. So the heat index should be in the mid to upper 90s. Now, if the high temperature gets even higher, there's an outside chance we could feel like 100 with the heat index. Either way, heat alert, a heat advisory, which isn't as bad as a heat warning. An excessive heat warning is when you've got a heat index of like 105, which we don't have. Still, though, you should drink plenty of water, especially if you're an outside worker or you're doing exercise outside. Make sure you're keeping tabs of yourself and stay extra hydrated. Also, check in on those like the elderly or those sensitive to heat, especially if they don't have air conditioning. Anyway, it's still humid Saturday, but the temperature is only around or just under 80, so the real feel is only 80 to 85. And then there's a big difference Sunday. Look at that. Humidity, the dew point is down to 50, so the temperature will be in the mid-70s, and with that dew point at 50, you're going to feel a lot different when you get outside Sunday. Severe thunderstorms in a line. This actually developed near Binghamton and is now affecting much of New England. There was even a possibility of a tornado in New Hampshire, believe it or not. And this line of thunderstorms, that's going to move south by southeast. Closer to home, we still have a few stragglers, mainly just some showers and downpours. And you can see they're close to the city. It probably stays near and just southwest of that line. I suppose a brief shower is possible in Syracuse this evening. Otherwise, tonight, clearing sky, some valley fog between 65 and 70. Any valley fog burns off. And remember, it's hot and humid tomorrow. I'm forecasting about 91 for Syracuse, mid to upper 80s elsewhere with heat index values well into the 90s. No showers and storms. Friday's sky and conditions are like yesterday. No storms popping up. However, since we're changing the air between Saturday and Sunday, eventually a system has to come through. There are some uncertainties on how this happens. I do expect there to be an opportunity of showers and storms during the pre-dawn hours, and then maybe a break, and then new showers and storms midday, early afternoon. I'm hopeful that by mid-afternoon, we can get a lot of these showers and storms out of the area because, well, we have Matchbox 20 coming to the amphitheater Saturday evening. I know there doesn't look like there's a lot of difference between Saturday and Sunday's temperature, but boy, will it feel a lot different because of that dew point dropping from 68 to 51. So it's really refreshing Sunday and really much of the week until at least Wednesday. Stanley Law Skywatch. Again, threatening skies due to those showers just on the outskirts of the city. Back inside.